And to every American, have a joyful week.
May you have a wonderful and joyful life at Mount Vernon. God. To all of you here tonight, we are joyful that you could join us. This basic and joyful longing for human freedom echoed the voices that we had heard all across the region, from Tunis to Cairo.
This is a joyful time for millions of people around the world.
So on behalf of Michelle, Malia, Sasha, Grandma, and Bo, I'd like to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and a peaceful and joyful holiday season.
Grace was 7 years old when she was struck down. Just a gorgeous, caring, joyful little girl. What makes us Americans is something more than just the circumstances of birth, what we look like, what God we worship. Rather, it is a joyful spirit of citizenship. Try to be joyful in your heart, for many a flower will bloom while you will be in clay. For decades, our nations have been separated by mistrust and fear. I hope you feel as joyful and blessed as I do this weekend. And I hope that among our many blessings, we pause and give thanks for the chance to live in a country where everyone has the right to worship and pray and love as they choose.